Hello, Sean Kavanagh here with a quick oziTarget tutorial. In this video I'm going to have a look at drawing task rings. When we open up the task rings form, we've got the option of drawing 4 different rings, and we can set these up for 8 different tasks. We've also got a little numeric keypad here if you're using a touchscreen or a tablet, so that you can do your data entry without having to bring up the full on-screen keyboard. The final thing is that we can set the units that we want to work with for these task rings. So independent of the rest of the program, if we want to use meters, kilometers, or even nautical miles, you can set those. But let's leave it at kilometers for the moment. So how to use it? First of all, we'll put in a minimum of 1 kilometer, maximum of 2. We click the select waypoint button. We then click on the waypoint on our map, and that sets up the details here, so we know the name of the waypoint and the 8-figure grid reference. If we want to draw the full circles, click the circle tool and you will get the full size rings. You'll notice I've got marker selected here, and we get this little carrot or a little diamond around the waypoint. That's particularly useful in a situation like this where you've got a number of waypoints that are close together. If I turn it off and redraw them, it becomes a little bit more vague as to exactly which waypoint these are centered on. If our distances were greater, it becomes even more difficult. So what the marker does is just lets you know which waypoint your rings are centered on. So we'll go back to 1 to 2 kilometers and redraw that. Okay, now the next thing we can do is actually draw these as arcs. So if we don't need to know what's happening behind us, we can draw them in arcs in the direction of the flight. So this flight, for example, is going to progress from west to east. So we select the arc tool, click in the direction that we're flying, and we just get those 2 arcs. If we go to task 2, let's set up again 1 to 2 kilometers, select the valid goal, which is 119, and again we'll draw those as arcs heading towards 345, and there we've got them. You'll notice these have come up as different colors, so we've got blue for our second task here. We can change that color to anything we like, and we can also quickly adjust the thickness of the lines to make sure that everything's nice and visible on our map. I'll put that back to blue for the moment. Task 3. Let's go a little bit further on this one, 2 to 4 kilometers. Select the valid goal, which is 345, and again draw our arcs off in the direction that we're flying there. So there you have it. There's your minimum maximum task rings drawn quickly and easily with oziTarget. Thanks for watching.